Hi everybody, I'm Homestead Tessie. Today I'm going to be baking a cake and we are going to be using this attachment. It's called the flat beater. This is for a KitchenAid appliance. So this is what the beater looks like. We're going to assemble it and then I'm going to do some baking with it. All right, out of the box, this is what the beater looks like. It's very large, and remember, you have to make sure you have this special unit that it goes with. This is the KitchenAid appliance that goes with this beater. So let me show you how you install it. So this is the KitchenAid that you can use, and this is the beater. So what we're going to do is, there is a pin right here. There's also the area to put it in. You're going to line the pin up and lock it into place. See? Then to unlock it, you're going to take your beater, slide it halfway, and pull it out. Lock it into place like this. All right, it's locked into place. Now we're going to go ahead and make our cake. That is the most amazing chocolate cake.